ashtray is 3x3 in the measurements, and this is navy blue and black, so it just fits right in the ashtray like that. And then for the top, this one is 2.5 by 2.5, so it's 2.5 by 2.5. Lighter, the stash jar, and then the ashtray. I'm just waiting for the rest of that to dry. Once I let the rest of that dry, so I need the lighter, the ashtray, and then the little jar. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to come back, and then we're going to epoxy the trays, and then I'll show you how I seal my lighters and my tops. So I got my Mod Podge, and I got my caps and everything that I'm going to be sealing. So I got my little sponge brush. So you just take that and then just go right over it. Alright, so for the lighters, I have these little clips to kind of hold it. And then you just go right over. Once it's mixed, you can use a spongy brush and do the same technique that I'm doing now, but not for the tops. I wouldn't suggest using a spongy. I will let it roll around. lay this one flat down since it's nothing on the back. Alright, so that's the jar. See, it still give it that glossy look. Oops. And then it's the alright, so now I'm going to be doing the epoxy. You just want to pour each. For the ashtray, you just pour it right on in here. Let me get this one, sometimes it drips. Pour it right on in there. And when I do, I just roll this around. Make sure it gets make sure it's even. And just let it sit. Use my blow dryer. I use that sometimes to actually move the epoxy around. It makes the process a little faster, but normally what I do is just roll it. As you guys will see here, I just roll the epoxy around, make sure it hits all corners. But that's how I process my Etsy orders. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like this video. And thank you guys for watching.